वी आर एट कॅज्यू फेस्टिवल 2025 अँड आमच्या फाटल्यान तुम्ही पळोवपाक शकता काज हो प्रोडक्ट आसा आणि गोंयांत हांवें आतां म्हळें तशें काजू जे घर आसा ते गोंयची वळख म्हणून पळयतात आमी. कॅज्यू इटसेल्फ इज अ गोंयची वळख म्हणून पळयता अँड आमच्या बरोबर एक यंग एंटरप्रिनर आसा अवनी जांबळे. सो वेलकम टू द शो सगळ्यान पयलीं अँड कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स फॉर such a wonderful product जे तुम्ही सेल करता. So tell me about your brand and product.
So we sell premium Goan cashews,
Okay.
and we sell them by grade. So they differ from W150, that is the biggest cashew, to the smallest, that is W400.
So what is it, W100 and 400?
They are just the grades
Okay.
of the cashew. So the size differs basically.
Only the size, not a quality.
Not the taste, not the quality, just the size differs.
Okay.
And we also have 6 to 7 different flavors, that is Szechuan, butter salted, green chili, lemon chili, and we are adding more and more. And there's also cheese and cream and onion, which are very fast selling.
Okay, when did this product started? Like cars, when did you started your?
We started around 5 to 6 years back.
Okay, okay. And you yourself started or your?
No. My brother, my uncle, and grandfather started.
Oh, and how this idea came? Like how you arranged everything to start this product?
We have our own cashew farms, and so we put up a factory which is based in Usgaon.
Okay.
We have our own cashew farms.
At
So-
Usgaon only?
Yeah. So we
Nice.
started processing our own cashew, and then we started taking other cashew from other people as well, and then processing them.
When I say cashew is the identity of Goa, so you really mean it because a lot of people come to Goa and take cashew, or when we go outside we take cashew.
Yeah.
So how do you see this trend going?
I see that it is very indulging because all of the people from Goa of various life standards are represented outside Goa all over the world, and their work gets the highlight that is needed.
So you have your outlets in Goa or outside Goa also?
So we don't have outlets yet. We sell it in Bhagata.
Okay, okay,
We
okay.
provide it on order basis.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay, we have cashew nuts from the cashew fruit. Okay, cashew nuts.
Yeah.
We also do extract feni from the cashew. They also extract the urrak. So, do you think there are more possibilities of cashew in the market of fruit jam or anything else? Do you think?
Yes, of course. One example that I would like to show, not to brag about, but I just made a fermented cashew cheesecake.
Cashew cheesecake.
Yeah, a fermented cashew cheesecake. So I fermented the cashew nuts and made a cheesecake out of it. So
Wow.
that is one.
That is a unique, I guess.
Yeah, there is a new product that we started.
And where do we find this in any?
No, actually I just started, so that is not out for sale yet. But I made it specially for the cashew fest. That is all.
Wow. So I think there are not many possibilities which you can do from the cashew nut. It's not just cashew nuts or the alcohol which we drink.
Yeah.
It is more than.
There is also we make chutneys and रोस्टही करतो आम्ही cashew fruit
Okay, nice.
cashew apples. So yeah, it has various uses. You just need to find the right thing. You just need to ignite the ideas, and you can get various things out of one single fruit. And
That's nice. We have Avni with us, and she is a young entrepreneur. She has a brand called Kaz, and they sell cashew nuts of various flavors like chili and any flavors like
there's lemon chili. There's lemon chili, cream and onion, green chili. Szechuan is also there. Cheese, butter salted, and we also have traditional drum roasted cashew.
So lemon chili and Szechuan taste good with urrak. Please try it. Okay, I'm not promoting any alcohol, but yes, whenever you're in Goa, you should have a glass of urrak to taste. And thank you, Avni. Thank you very much. And glad to meet you. And I hope next year आणि व्हडलो बिझनेस तुमचो पळोवपाक मेळटलो आमकां. Thank you very much. Thank you. देव बरें कर. Thank you.